Yes, this time I have a guest, namely an HP laptop, and this laptop is about to be upgraded to an SSD. HP laptop. Why, sir, do you want to upgrade the SSD so that it is fast? Yes. This SSD is a pacer and its capacity is 120 gig. Later we will install it on this laptop, yes. Upgrading the SSD is currently popular, friends. People have all moved to SSD because using an SSD, the speed is greatly increased so that the laptop is not slow. Well, the first thing, if you want to disassemble the laptop, friends, please remove the battery. If for example the battery is embedded, no need to remove it. The important thing is, friends, open the bolts. Yes, we will disassemble the casing, because upgrading the SSD itself, we have to disassemble the casing. So removing the hard disk that came with the laptop is removed. We have removed all the bolts. Well, this one bolt has not been removed because this bolt cannot be removed. It's attached to the RAM cover. So we just open it and then remove the RAM too. This is how to remove the RAM. Well, the important thing is that you guys pay attention to how to remove the laptop hard drive and how to install the SSD. How to upgrade an SSD is how to upgrade a laptop to an SSD. Next, you guys also remove it from the PD like this, just pull it out. Okay, like that. And next, don't forget, there's a small screw here that you usually forget. Don't open it, don't remove this screw. So you guys have to open it too. If you don't open it, the casing won't be able to open because there are still screws. Okay, first open the screw like this, guys. Guys, don't be afraid to practice it. I mean, just enjoy it. Just relax while drinking coffee, like that. Okay, guys. Next, in a position like this, don't forget to open the keyboard, guys. Open the keyboard first. Usually, this HP series requires dismantling the keyboard first. There are also those that don't require dismantling the keyboard. Because this is an old series laptop, so it has to be dismantled like this. Remove the keyboard. Because if you don't remove it, you can't open the casing. Because under the keyboard there are screws, friends. And those screws are the casing locks. This opens the keyboard. Don't pull it straight up because it's flexible. So slowly, carefully, open the lock like this. Then just pull it like this, remove it. Now, this is what a laptop keyboard looks like. And when the keyboard is removed, friends, open the screws too. There are 3 screws here, friends. This is how the SSD installation process looks like in a laptop. Replace the hard drive. The hard drive is removed. The new SSD is installed. Yes, like that. Now, the internal hard drive. The internal laptop can be made external, friends. You can buy the casing later to become an external hard drive. Okay, friends. If for example, all the screws have been removed, nothing is guaranteed, there are no screws left. So, friends, you can dismantle it this way using your fingernail or using an old card tool like that. Indosat card. Well, the important thing is that it's made of plastic, not metal. Like this. Now, slowly. Now, like this. The inside of the laptop is like this, friends. Now, here we only need to remove the hard drive, because we will replace the hard drive with an SSD to increase the laptop's power. It's great, friends, the laptop won't load, won't lag. So it's fast. Oh, this is really dirty, friends. Let's clean the dust first. It's really dirty and rarely cleaned. Apparently, this is the first time it's been taken apart. It's been said that it's never been serviced since I first bought it. No wonder it's so dirty. Let's clean it first. Well, like this. of dust. Oh, poor laptop. Okay, next, friends, let's remove this disk. If there's a flexible disk blocking it, let's remove the flexible disk first. Flexible. Now, we'll disassemble and reinstall the SSD here. Here we just have to remove this first. Okay, let's remove it first, friends. There are bolts here, or let's say there's a flexible one. Remove the flexible one first like this, open it and then pull it. Yes, it's safe. Don't be afraid to try. Well, this model actually can't be pulled. This is the slide model. So from top to bottom like this, yes, the model. But because there are bolts, we can't open it yet. So we open the bolts. Then open the speaker too. Well, like this. Take it slowly, okay? Like this. It's slippery. It's slippery. Well, this is easy. Well, like this, we'll move it aside first. The important thing is to move it aside first so we can remove the scale. Well, there are also bolts here. Anyway, friends, you have to be careful with the bolts because here, if we have just one bolt that isn't removed, it can't be opened. Yes, it can be opened, but it will be damaged because we're not damaging it. So we have to follow procedures like this. Well, this is how to open it. This is what the laptop hard drive looks like. This can be used as an external drive too. It can be used externally. And this bracket, we will move it to the SSD. This metal bracket, we will move it to the SSD, but this also has to be unscrewed. Well, let's open it first, guys, like this. Well, let's remove it and install it on the SSD. Oh, this is still sealed, guys. Let me speed up the video. Let's open it first. Well, I've opened it, guys. I've ripped it off. So all we have to do is just take the SSD like this. Well, we install the metal bracket from the hard drive. Now we install it on the SSD to lock it later. To lock it if it's already installed on a laptop like this, guys. It's complicated, bro. Yes, sometimes laptops, even if we only install an SSD, are complicated, we have to disassemble everything. But there are also laptops that are easy. Removing the hard drive doesn't require disassembling everything. Is there a laptop disassembly? No need to disassembly the keyboard. Each one is different. Okay, just install it like this, just push it. Yes, if you're done, please screw it again. Basically, reinstall it according to where it was placed. Like that. Okay, let's screw it again so that the SSD doesn't come loose if it's shaken. We screw it first to make it safe. If it smells, just install the speaker and the USB motherboard that we removed earlier. Well, like this. After installing the SSD, can it be used immediately, sir? No. So, friends, this is just installed because the new SSD or new hard drive doesn't have a system. There's no system yet. So, friends, you have to install Windows first. How, sir? Do you install it? Yes, ask in the comments column. Later I will send a link on how to install a laptop to install Windows 10 on a new SSD later. Like that. This is how it's installed. Then next, it looks neat like this. Then what about the internal hard drive, sir? Can this be used as an external one? So friends, if you have an external hard drive, what should you use, bro? Use this casing. Tata USB casing. You can find it online or at the nearest store. The price is around Rp. 40,000, Rp. 50,000. Install it and don't forget to tighten it again. Don't let anything open so it looks neat. So it looks appropriate. Well, like this. Well, don't forget this, what? Don't bend the flex, or it won't work. Okay, tighten it like this first, friends. Tighten it so it's neat. Now, just install the touchpad socket and the speaker socket. Now, to install it, just open the black lock first. Then insert the purple flex. It's easy. Now, just tighten it like this. Insert it like this, friends. Now, just insert it like that. Later we just close the black one like this. This is a bit difficult. Well, like this, like that. What's next? Next we screw it. Screw it first. Because there were 3 screws, we screw it first. Usually forget this. Don't forget, okay? If you forget, some screws will be left behind. Well, we screw this first so that the casing is strong. It's not easy to open this or that. Okay, if we have, we just install the keyboard. The installation method is the same, friends. Open the key, insert the flex, then close it like that. Because I'm using a cell phone for this video, so it can't be seen. You can't see how to install it. This is tightened again, friends. Don't let anyone leave.